Hi, my name is Kirk. Welcome to my kitchen. How to make milk pudding by Kirk Roberts. Step 1. Add 200 milliliters of milk to a saucepan. Step 2. Then add 3 tablespoons of sugar or sweetener to the same saucepan as the milk. Step 3. Add a pinch of salt. Step 4. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Potato starch works too. Step 5. Put saucepan onto stove and stir on low heat until the mixture becomes a thick and clumpy consistency. Be patient. Step 6. Butter an empty container. Step 7. Pour pudding into buttered container. Step 8. Cool in refrigerator for 3 hours. Congratulations! You made milk pudding. Serve cold, add toppings of choice, and enjoy.